This is a workshop for the digital transformation of metrology. It's an event where a lot of the representatives from the Department of Defense, representing the various branches of the military, gotten together.
We organize this with the mentality that we start collaboration across all of the different organizations that are working on metrology as a basis for our digital transformation, digitization, automation, and AI integration into our processes.
The fact that you have chosen to be a part of this group demonstrates your willingness to embrace the future of metrology and calibration and how you will shape that for the future.
Ultimately, fully digital, interoperable, interconnected metrology calibration infrastructure. That's what we want.
We are learning a lot about the digital transformation of metrology. Terminology like digital calibration certificates, how the data would be compiled.
We're going to start seeing a standard come out where all the manufacturers, all the calibration labs, all the different entities that work in metrology have a way that they can move data from one system to another completely seamlessly.
We are very glad to have met the people from the different departments, Navy, Air Force, Army, and the NIST guys, and also the other folks that came here from the different enterprises also, to discuss about how we can make that transformation, this transition to fully digitalized, automated processes happen.
IT is a very key aspect for the Department of Defense for readiness.
For us, that is critical. We need to make on-the-spot decisions in order to ensure mission success. So being able to digitize and be able to tap into that information across the environments where we are as Navy is essential and important, and it can mark the difference between mission success or not.
Digitalization is just going to help move that effort faster. You get more data, you get the data quicker, you get it into formats that you can use.
This could potentially be a really key event, uniting a real community in the United States around this topic that we think is really going to help our defense industry, also provide opportunities for the industry here as well.